Scene script. Ever wondered why back exercises hold such a pivotal role in your fitness journey? It's simple. A strong back not only improves posture, but also aids in reducing the risk of injury, enhancing athletic performance, and even boosting overall aesthetics. Today, we delve into the top 5 easy-to-follow bodyweight back exercises that anyone can perform, be it at home or the gym. First on our list is the classic inverted row. Begin by securing a bar at waist height. Reach out for it, keeping your body straight. Pull your chest up to the bar using your back muscles, ensuring your elbows are close to your body. Lower yourself back down in a controlled manner. Repeat this a few times, always focusing on engaging those back muscles. Moving on, we have the reverse snow angels. Start by lying flat on your stomach, arms extended above your head. Like a snow angel in reverse, sweep your arms down towards your hips, lifting your chest off the ground. Return to the starting position. Remember, slow and steady wins the race with this exercise. Thirdly, we explore the Superman. No, not the comic book hero, but the exercise that's equally as powerful for strengthening your back. Lie flat on your stomach, extend your arms in front of you. Raise your arms, chest, and legs off the ground simultaneously, hold for a few seconds, then lower yourself back down. Imagine you're flying just like Superman. Next, we have the bridge. Begin by lying on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the ground. Push through your heels, lifting your hips off the ground until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Lower back down and repeat. The bridge not only activates your back muscles but also engages your core and glutes. Finally, we present the scapular push-up. Start in a plank position. Without bending your elbows, lower your chest between your shoulders, then push back up. This exercise targets the muscles around your shoulder blades, a crucial area for back strength. In summary, back exercises are more than just improving aesthetics. They enhance athletic performance, reduce the risk of injury, and help with good posture. The inverted row, reverse snow angels, Superman, bridge, and scapular push-up are 5 exercises that can help you achieve a stronger back. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these exercises into your routine, and you'll soon see the benefits they bring. So, why wait? Start your journey to a stronger back today.